Hi guys, good morning. Unboxing from Alice store. We bought this day. Pop tarts, cupcake, and we try this guy panko blend seasoning. And this one shortbread cookies. Let's try this guy. That piece is good. And we bought this guy We bought again Ben Garden, beans and spinach. We try this guy because I love spinach. I plant spinach but only look like live, too alive. So we need to buy again and plant this. This is $3.49 guys. But we pay only $1.99. Expensive guys. This one, try this. And I found this guy, $2.99. We pay this $2.99. 68 design of accent lot of fashion style. Easy dye jewelries. Yan. So that's why I have idea. Inside. And jewelry design. So and we spend only $14. I wear one of my jewelry guys. This is the first time we make jewelry. I wear it today. And next, from Salvation Army, because today is Friday, Salvation Army is 49 cents yung tag pink. So we got 23 pieces anyway guys. 49 cents only. And look at that. Hoodie. Very nice. We need to wash this. Hoodie and this one. Dress. We need to wash this first guy and then we try me and then the cloth is not fit to me. We send to the Philippines. Oh, very nice. Of course, this one I need to send to the Philippines. My family love to wear like this guy. Long sleeve t-shirt. This one. I don't know if this is fit to me. This is big anyway. And the next over here. And the next guy is look, t-shirt. Very nice t-shirt guy. I love shopping in Salvation Army guy. If this is not sale guy, this is guy, $4. And we pay me only 49 cents. So we go to Salvation Army every Friday because have 49 cents. This one is really nice. This one. Glad I found guy clothes for the kid. This one. Usually we buy a lot of clothes for the kid. Short also. This one I like this guy because very comfy. This one for the kid also. And this one for the kid also guy. This one for the kid also. This one, I don't know if this is fit to me. This is dress. House dress. I like the color. Usually, I got 23 pieces, guys. And we pay me only $11. This one big. Look like this. This one also like the color, guys. Love the color. And this one. Mm. This one, I like this t-shirt, guys. Very nice. This one will look like heavy. But it's good. I don't know, this one is fit to me. I'm not sure. And this one. Mm. And that's it, guys. Everything is $11, guys. It's a good deal. Unboxing, guys. Another beads. I think this is the last order, right? This is the last order beads. Oh, wow. That's a lot. Lot pala to. This one ba yun? This one. Did I order this? I forgot na may order eh. Ah, this one so nice. Ah, this is the necklace. Look at it. Very nice. I think this is we pay this I don't know how much. I forgot na ba eh. Necklace. This is the necklace by very nice. Next. I forgot my order but I order lot, no? Thank you, mahal. I order more, guys. Huh? This one also, we order this. Set naman siya, guys. That. What is this? Huh? Wait, this is two? I don't know. Ah, okay. Ah, this one too pala siya, guys. And this one. I have lot of set guy of jewelry na. So, fashion jewelry ito guys. Magandahan ako. Next. Ah, this one guys. Nice. This is the also. That look. Very nice. That one. That one. And the bracelet. A lot of seat. Lot of seat na din. This is three set of fashion jewelry. Another. And another. What is this? Surprise. I don't know what is this. This is three set of fashion jewelry. We bought in Amazon. Wow, so nice kayo. Also this. Amazing. But I like the color game. The bracelet guys. Very nice. I like this one. Elegant guys siya. Very nice. Yes, already use the elastic like that eh. Yeah, they use the elastic. Elastic But so nice. The pendant is very nice. I like the pendant kay. Very nice. Another, I think bracelet again. I'm not sure if this is bracelet. Let's see. Sometimes I forgot my order there. What's my order? Bracelet again. Yeah, because I like this color. Elegant. But we do this, we make this guy. That one. That one and that one. Because this one so nice also. Look. So beautiful. Love it. Oh. Yeah. Kailangan mo lang ng mga beads kay. Very nice. Oh. Very colorful. The color is colorful. So nice. Three jewel receipt and bracelet too. And this one guy. This is a lot. This is a set of bundle. I don't know, you wear everything this is yours or you wear only one? I don't know. I think you wear only one. That's fine, right? Sit to kayo. Look. Kasya ba? Kasya. Kasya nga day. Look at that. If you wear this every time? I think no, you wear only one. Because if you wear everything, this guy, you like a crazy. You wear only one, right? One. Yeah, one. This is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 pieces. Yeah. You need to wear. Just be careful. Fit man sa ano ko. 2 size. So this one, if you wear this too. This one. That one. Usually you can wear this. Huh? Very nice. You know what? You can do this earrings. Big earrings, yeah. The two. You can make big earrings. So this one is used for bracelet. Thank you, ma. And that's it, guys.